General Holistic Health Tips 1. Improve your posture. It is important to keep your spine as straight as possible so that your muscles do not strain and contract unnecessarily. Also, in order to keep energy circulating throughout your body, it is important to keep your spine straight and nerves unhindered. 2. Consider trigger point massage for pain relief. If you are plagued by continuous pain and conventional pain medicines are not working to help eliminate it, consider this special type of massage. It will help to not only ease the pain, but to eliminate its source as well. 3. Try acupuncture. Acupuncture is a type of holistic, alternative medicine that has been commonly practiced in the eastern part of the world for thousands of years. 5,000 years ago, the intention of acupuncture was to prolong life. With many alternative medical techniques, the intention is to prevent rather than to cure a specific or general ailment. The oldest recorded practice of acupuncture was over 5,000 years ago. Basically, acupuncture is used to stimulate the nerves in the body and as a result positively affect all of the other bodily systems. 4. Try Reiki healing. Reiki is a healing art that uses the body's energy to begin and further the healing process. It is performed by using one's hands to follow a specific pattern of massage, in order to stimulate energy movement throughout the body. There are many Reiki healers who are specially trained to perform the healing massage, or you can read about it or take a class to become a proficient Reiki healer yourself. 5. Consider a complete body cleansing. There are many different products on the market today that can help you to eliminate toxins from the body and increase the efficiency and overall health of your body. A complete cleanse will remove toxins and other harmful matter from your kidneys, liver and intestines. Generally, how they work is you follow a strict dietary regimen for a few weeks while the cleansing process occurs. Most people who try this agree that it makes them feel healthier, and they often report a fair amount of weight loss after the process is complete. 6. Try to avoid television. Believe it or not, television actually induces negative feelings in most viewers as a result of the commonplace violence and gossip. Television viewing is not nearly as relaxing as some people claim. Try giving up your television shows for a week, replacing them with other activities. You will most likely find that you are better rested, happier and less stressed at the end of that week. 7. Don't forget to relax. No human being is equipped to function in constant stress mode. It is unhealthy to have a life filled with all work and no play. Some of the most common health problems that result when a person doesn't relax enough include high blood pressure, stomach ulcers and other digestive disorders. Be sure to take some time out for yourself at least once a week, preferably once a day. This can help to prevent, and in some cases eliminate, these chronic health problems. 8. Consider biofeedback therapy. If you are experiencing health problems and cannot seem to find the source, a biofeedback therapist will monitor your body and how it reacts to daily activities in order to find out where it is not performing optimally. In this treatment, you would wear a monitor that actually records how your body is reacting while it is turned on. If you are an athlete suffering from muscle problems, you might want to consider this treatment to determine whether you are properly resting your muscles between activities. 9. Improve your sleeping habits. One of the best things that everyone can do to improve their well-being is to moderate their sleeping patterns. Unfortunately, poor sleep is a habit learned by nearly everyone during the teenage years. It is critical to allow your body the time it needs to wind down and relax so that you can be rejuvenated. If you feel tired during the day, when you awaken in the morning, or exhausted before bedtime, it is a sign that you are not getting the right amount of sleep. This could be too much, or too little. Try setting aside 8 hours for sleep each night, getting into bed no less than half an hour prior to the time that you want to be asleep. If you do this for a few weeks, you will find positive improvements in your overall health and productivity. 10. Breathe mindfully. The process of mindful breathing is a form of meditation, however it is also a great way to get more oxygen into your blood and tissues. If you start right now and pay attention to how you are breathing, it is more than likely that you will find yourself breathing quite shallowly. This is not a healthy breathing pattern. You can start out by just inhaling completely and then slowly exhaling completely. If you take 1 minute to just do this focused breathing each day, you will find that you feel better during that minute. And you will catch yourself paying attention to your breathing several times throughout the day. If you are stressed or tired, take a minute out of your day to breathe mindfully. 11. Try reflexology. Reflexology is a technique of applying pressure to and stretching the hands and feet in order to send nerve messages to other parts of the body. Through the careful application of reflexology, practitioners can affect the health of various organs and parts of the body. There are many resources available if you would like to learn more about the practice of reflexology. 12. Relieve pain with acupuncture. Acupuncture is an age-old healing technique used to stimulate nerve endings and to promote healing from within. Overall, the goal of an acupuncturist is to restore well-being and good health to the whole body. If you are currently experiencing chronic pain, consider consulting a therapist to see if your pain might be reduced with treatments. 13. Meditate for better well-being. The basic definition of meditation is to concentrate on some object or thought in order to quiet the mind. There are many different types and styles of meditation, however, the one thing that is consistent is that not every technique will work for every person. Everyone can benefit from some type of meditation. Take some time to read about different techniques or talk to a holistic healer for more information about what might work for you. 14. Try Buddhist meditation. Buddhist meditation deals primarily with the quest for knowledge, and is one of the more popular styles of meditation used in the world today. The premise is that by meditating you are spending some quiet time to improve the state of your mind. Getting started is as simple as finding a quiet space to relax, taking some deep breaths and letting thoughts enter and pass through your mind without concentrating on any specific thought. 15. Stop the music when meditating. Just as you would probably accomplish more during a study session without music, the same holds true for meditation. While some people will play music while they meditate, there is a question about whether music serves simply as a distraction. Try turning off the music for a week, and see for yourself if you are able to accomplish more with a quiet atmosphere. 16. Accept that there is no clear and easy path. Many people spend so much time looking for the easy route that they forget to enjoy the joys of the road. Changing your perspective will take time, but try to begin thinking of obstacles as stepping stones along the path of your life. 17. Go to the dentist. If you have fillings that could possibly contain mercury, it is a good idea to have those fillings replaced by your dentist. If you are feeling poorly and cannot explain why, this may be the culprit. Mercury poisoning is slow and often masks itself with symptoms of other health problems. Your dentist can tell you whether you should consider having any of your fillings replaced. 18. Be nicer. Positive energy is contagious. If you do something nice for someone today, chances are that before the end of the day that person will do something nice for someone else. Holding the door for someone costs you nothing more than a few seconds out of your day. However, if that person is having a bad day, it might just be the little pick-up needed to put them in a better mood. Little things mean a lot, and if you are doing nice things for people, you will begin to feel better about yourself. 19. Avoid clutter. Clutter is an energy buster. If your bedroom is cluttered, the energy will not flow as freely as it should and your sleep will be affected in a negative way. Not only that, but clutter is frustrating, because it often keeps you from finding something that you need in a few seconds. Take the time to eliminate clutter, but start small with one area at a time. Otherwise, you risk overwhelming yourself with a lot of work. 20. Be gracious. Gratitude is extremely powerful, and remembering to say thank you for even the littlest things can be a powerful positive change. Expressing gratitude is much more pleasant than expressing frustration, and it will eventually begin to replace the negative habit of complaining that we all get into sometimes. 21. Consider a peroxide bath. Hydrogen peroxide is known for being a highly effective astringent that removes toxins, or dirt, from scrapes and cuts. It can do the same thing for the rest of the body as well. Simply add a quart of peroxide to your hot bath and soak for a few minutes to check for tolerance. If you don't have any irritation that does not stop quickly, add a second quart and soak for about 10 minutes. The peroxide will pull toxins from your skin and help you to flush toxins better afterwards. 22. Consider a liver flush. Gallstones form in the bile ducts and the gallbladder, and may be to blame for medical problems that go otherwise unexplained. By performing a liver flush, you are helping your body to eliminate the built-up toxins and gallstones. If you are interested in instructions for a liver flush, you can find them at any reputable holistic healer and even online. If you have any health problems, or suspect that you might, you should speak with your doctor prior to performing the process. 23. Consider learning from an Alexander technique instructor. The Alexander method is a way to retrain the body to remain correctly postured in order to prevent and eliminate the possibility of problems such as muscle strains, nerve damage, stiff necks, and many more. The purpose of this technique is to eliminate unnecessary tension within the body and to teach the body to position itself correctly. 24. Eat clay. Yes, clay in its naturally occurring form is fantastic for treating many different health ailments that might go otherwise untreated. Liquid clay is available and can be taken several times a day to help with problems with the liver, headaches, arthritis, and skin disorders. Clay masks are fantastic for the skin, and when used after a good exfoliation, they can remove impurities and toxins from your skin. 25. Consider transpersonal therapy. If you have found that standard therapy is not working out for you, this is an approach that helps many people to feel more comfortable. In this type of psychotherapy, the therapist and the patient focus on making a significant connection with one another in order to remove anyone from a superior position. Many patients have found that when they feel a connection with their therapist, they feel that they can be more open-minded and receptive.